since I started my YouTube again, I would like to start it with one of my very funny yet very close story of mine, जो कि बहुत one or two people knows about it. So I want to share it to everyone. So what happened basically? It was year 2017. Yeah, 2017 May, I guess. So I was in my 4th semester of BA at that time. So since my childhood, I was someone who always wanted to see places. I mean, like हमको देखना बहुत पसंद. I wanted to roam around the world. कहीं भी हमको जाना बहुत पसंद. I wanted to travel a lot since my childhood. जो कि कभी मौका नहीं मिला क्योंकि क्योंकि we don't come from a place जहाँ पे traveling was such thing. I mean, like family में हो, कुछ में हो, ऐसा वाला. But I think मेरा traveling का हमको बहुत तब चला because my father was in SSB. I mean, like he was in central government job, so he was posted in like, suppose say Kashmir, suppose say Lucknow, suppose say Bihar, these kind of state and cities. And I was like, oh, I want to go. And I would tell my friends in school, my father, वो यहाँ गया, वो वहाँ गया. And दिल में हम ये सोचता था कि I want to go there someday. ऐसा. So what happened in my college second year, our teacher, he was taking 30 student on a like educational excursion. नाम educational है, but more in motto was to just roam around the place. So the place was Sikkim, Gangtok. So what happened at the time? I mean, like me and my brother, we used to studied in St. Claret College Zero, and वहाँ पे हम लोग को, I mean, like monthly pocket money was very less. I mean, like we used to stay in 1200 rupees rented house, one room, and my parents, they would send us 5k a month. 5k month, उसके बाद उसमें से 1200 रुपये रेंट में जाएगा, एंड आधा पैसा वी हैव टू मैनेज. आई मीन, लाइक एक महीना में हम लोग खाना पीना, गैस, चावल, सब चीज़ करना पड़ता था उस पर. तो ऐसे हालात में जब ट्रैवल का फ़ी था around 7,000, and I couldn't give it, I wanted to go. I couldn't manage it on time में. So क्या हुआ, it was last, I mean, like I somehow managed आधा money मेरा stipend से, आधा money I asked here and there, मम्मी पापा किसी से, and finally I managed 7,000 in like last moment में. और जब ऐसा करके जब I called our sir, he was like, so sorry Yari, I can't take you because seat is already full, you are very late. And you won't believe, I literally cried. I mean, like I had to cry because I mean, like I won't say I'm a very stubborn person, but कुछ चीज़ होता है जिसमें if I मेरा दिल लगा लेते तो लगा लेते ऐसा चीज़. So उस पर क्या हुआ कि हमको इतना जाने का मन था और हम इतना मैनेज किया पैसा और हम नहीं जा पा रहा था. I was so sad about it and I was crying. When I look back now, I mean, it's been how many years? Like more than 10 years, right? I mean, like I feel so, क्या कहते हैं असमीज़ में एक तरह में मोरम लगता है, खुद को बहुत मोरम लगता है, समझ रहे ना. Gangtok is just nearby. I mean, now when I look at Gangtok is just nearby, but I was crying to go there. So my brother, my friend, they saw me and they're like, ये लड़की तो नहीं होगा, and they call the teacher and he's like, my brother requested, sir please कर दो ना, या देखो adjust कर दो, वो रो रहा है, बहुत दुखी है. And somehow sir accepted it, and I was able to go. 2017 June, I guess. I have some picture in my old Instagram account. I was super duper happy. But I must tell you, we had to travel more than, I mean, like we had to from Itanagar to Siliguri. It was, I mean, like more than 24 hours of journey, and from there 4 to 5 hours. Siliguri to Gangtok takes 4 to 5 hours of journey. I mean, like why am I telling this story in my channel? It's, I mean, like one of the reason is that personally I see my growth in that. I mean, like, now I can go anywhere if I want to. I mean, like, I can manage money now. I just have to have time for it. And that was a time, you know, जिसमें हमको गैंगटॉक तक जाने के लिए भी हमको रोना पड़ता था. Now I travel alone. I go here and there, you know. So that is the thing. I mean, like, वो story मेरा mind में बहुत रह जाता है because I feel कि I mean we should always be positive, be hopeful. I do that. I mean, like, people say कि hopeful रहना और positive रहना sometimes becomes very toxic. I understand that point completely. But I feel like कि ना hopeful ना रहना और रहने में, मतलब दोनों में अगर देखा जाए तो रहने में ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है. Because life is all about hope. You don't know what's going to happen in future. You don't know, I mean, like, कल आपके साथ क्या होगा. आप बस hopeful रह सकते हो कि कल कुछ अच्छा होगा, you know. In that hope, I mean, like, we are not here to live forever. We are here to live, I mean, like, nowadays lifespan is around maybe 70 or 80, not more than that. I mean, अगर वहाँ से लंबा जीता है तो अच्छा बात है, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. अगर आप लाइफ सच में जिएगा मे बी 60s तक अच्छे से जी सकते हैं. तो इसमें why to invest, I mean, waste our mind thinking कि ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, जो हो रहा है देखा जाएगा. I mean, like, I live like that. It's not like I don't have problems in my life. I have plenty, I mean, like, uncountable problems in my life, but I mean, like, but I don't give a shit about them ज़्यादा. तो इसी पे ज़्यादा focus कर. I hope you liked my story.